Good morning, student. Now we are going to start economics class 9th farming in Palampur. Already I have taught you in previous chapter about the organization of production. For that we need land, labor, physical capital, fixed capital, working capital and human capital. In this video we are going to discuss about the farming in Palampur. So farming in Palampur has been classified into various points. For example, land is fixed. Land is fixed means there is no way to convert the wasteland into the agriculture land. So 70, as you know that 75% people depend on farming. Land area or area under the cultivation is practically fixed. Fixed means there is no increasing in cultivable land. Since 1960 in Palampur there has been no expansion in land under the cultivation. Some wasteland converted for the farming. Next second point you can see here, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Yes, we can grow from the same land more crops when we have some facilities, when we have some equipments. Okay, so in the kind of crops grow and the facilities available, like Palampur would resemble मतलब दिखाई देना village of the western part of the Uttar Pradesh. They used to grow kharif crops, rabi crops. So what is kharif crop? Kharif crops, it is farmers grow jowar, bajra, rice in rainy season. Their plants are used as a cattle feed, etc. At the same time, the main reason why farmers able to grow more than 3 different crops like sugar cane and all, because due to the irrigation facilities, due to the electricity, and they used to do agriculture with the Persian wheels were till then used by the farmers to draw water from the wells, irrigated small fields. People saw that the electric run tube wells could irrigate much. So you can say one kind of modern technology has been adopted in Palampur. Next point is, will the land sustains? Sustains means if you are using land for agriculture purpose continuously, so the day will come it will lose its fertility. For example, in Punjab and Haryana, due to the green revolution program, you can see here, so green revolution program has reduced the fertility of soil. Next point is, how is the land distributed? In Palampur, how is the land distributed? So land is distributed among the small farmer, big farmer and landlords, etc. But most of the family were Dalit, those are landless. They will have to work in the other fields. They get wages also. Wages मतलब पैसे देना. So 1/3 of the 450 families are landless. Apart from 150 families, Dalit have no land, and 240 families cultivated in small plot land less than 2 hectares. Next one is who will provide the labor? Now the problem was in Palampur that who will provide labor, because those are a small farmer. They used to do agriculture along with their family members, but those are landless. They used to work where in big farmers. They get meals also, उनको खाना मिलता था, उनको पैसे मिलते थे और बहुत ही कम पैसे मिलते थे, लेकिन उनसे एग्रीकल्चर का काम लिया जाता था. So this kinds of situation was there in Palampur. Next point is, you can see the capital needed in farming. So any business if you are doing, agriculture if you are doing, so you need what? you need money. If you don't have a money, so you cannot do agriculture. Suppose if you have a money, so there is no problem. If you have a good capital, there is no problem. But those are landless, or sometimes they used to work in the borrow, sometimes they used to work in the other fields and all. So what the people they used to do, they borrow the money from the landlords in and traders, money lenders in high tax. So it was unable to pay after the cropping and all. So in this video we will learn this much only. In the next video we will have a summary of what village Palampur. Thank you and have a nice day.